Oh, hey guys, welcome to our tour. Come on in.
That was nice and cringy.
That was really bad.
Okay, so we got the family suite veranda, and we have our king size bed, and we have couch.
Bro. Okay. Yeah. Yeah, the couch, this is where I'm gonna be sleeping at. Alex is gonna be sleeping in a bed that comes right down here.
Right down here.
Coffee table.
And we got a large vanity with lots of space.
Oh yeah, hair dryer.
Yep.
This cup does not come with it.
Small TV.
Yeah, very small TV.
What
But
about
it
now?
has Disney movies on it.
Does? You checked it out?
No, but they said it has Disney movies.
Okay. What do we got for outlet? Okay.
Oh, yeah. And then we have our cold fridge. Oh, it's very cold. Lots of outlets.
Yeah. We got 2 international,
Yeah.
2 US.
USB
You get a couple USBs. What do these switches do?
Some lights.
for the
I don't know what this
vanities.
one is.
What's that doing?
I have no idea
No,
what.
this was that one.
That might be the outlet.
Oh, maybe. Yeah.
I have no idea what this plug is.
Yeah, nothing's coming.
I don't think it's.
I don't think it's a plug actually. Hold on. It's not a button either. I don't know what that is.
Oh, those.
Huh? Those?
That's like.
They have their own. But that's probably when that's a bed. That'll
Yeah.
be their night. Here's our ships. 4, but now we have 5, right?
Right.
Or they have 5.
Yeah.
So what we got here? What's this? Glasses and what?
Just
Uh,
some
drawers.
drawers.
We got some
Drawers.
shelves over here.
Nope.
No.
Some cups.
We got a life vest.
We got some stairs for the
Stairs,
bed.
ladder,
Ladder. Stairs.
ladder,
whatever.
ladder.
More room.
More shelves.
And then in this one we just have more room over here
Yeah,
and then a safe.
Safe.
The same, so the norm, right?
Yeah.
Nothing.
Nothing interesting.
Yeah, nothing interesting. Just the norm. And we did have to put the key card in to turn the lights on.
Yes. And then
Okay.
this is going to be our shower area. Oh, we have a tub. Look at this.
Yeah.
Look at this tub. We have a tub. Oh, what do we got in here? Yeah.
Yeah, it doesn't
Yeah.
come with that.
It's nice that the
Hopefully
toilet's
that's
not
on
in
your.
here.
You got the H2O products,
Yep. Oh, there's a lotion.
and in here,
This is for your makeup.
yes, in here they have the H2O. Detachable shower head, adjustable to 2
I
clotheslines.
love that it has a
Looks like, right,
tub.
Alex? 2
Huh?
2
Yeah.
clotheslines up there. Full body mirror on the back of that door.
And then we have our toilet.
And the toilet.
Yeah, we have a toilet.
It's just simple sink, but again, they give you soap. We always bring our own soap.
they also
Ship
have
our soap. What's that?
This for your sharps if you're
Oh,
doing
for your
that or
sharps, yeah.
whatever.
Sharps container.
I'm not
And
seeing that.
we have branded towels here.
Yes.
Now the ones out on the beach chairs or the pool deck were not branded.
Oh, and they even give you hand soap here.
Thank you.
This is kind of nice.
Mm-hmm. So that's it, right?
And then
Yeah,
next
that's
to the
about
bed.
Oh,
Yeah,
for the
our
bed, yeah.
stand.
Do we have outlets at the bed?
One international one.
1 international, 1 US. International, 1 US outlet there. Switch for the lamp. How about that side? What are we rocking over there?
Of course not.
Nothing. But do you have a USB on the side of the phone? Okay. So no power on that side. You have 2 switches there. One, I imagine, runs your lamp, and one the lights. Lamp. What's the other one? We don't know.
We do not know.
Okay. And then we have a curtain to separate the living area or the kids from this bed. Little curtain there. But yeah, now we got
Our balcony.
balcony. Wow, it's a deep balcony.
Oh, this is a big balcony.
Yeah.
It's deep. It's deep. Why don't you lay down on the ground right here, Alex? Okay. Now extend your arms out all the way. Let's see. Can you reach any even closer? Can you reach close
Like
to it?
Alex's.
Like 2 Alex's, and you still got a long way to go. That is a huge balcony. So this is the 5th deck.
Yep.
Very big.
It's not, I mean, it's slightly obstructed down, but we do have lifeboats that way, nothing this way. So just a slight curve where we can't see directly down. And then if we look up we have no roof up until that point. So yeah. Not a lot going on. We do have Norwegian Escape next to us over there today. That's where the bus has dropped us off this morning. Yeah. Well, that is 5548,
Yes.
right? Oh, look at it. We're branded. We got branded chairs.
I mean, it's a little dirty out here.
It is.
It's
paint. Looks like paint chips or something.
it's really dirty.
They were power washing and probably knocked paint off, and now we got paint chips. So yeah, it is a little dirty. That would be the only complaint. You can see things on the chairs there. But other than that,
It's a really big
it's
balcony.
huge. This is probably the
Yeah, it
biggest
is.
balcony.
Yeah.
I don't know. This is one of the top one of size,
Yeah.
aside from the suite on the
Yeah, for real.
That
Freedom.
was just long. I feel like this is bigger.
Yeah, it might have been.
At least 4 of us. It's
huge. Yeah. Yeah, very comfortably.
like,
All 4 of
8
us.
people
Yeah,
out here.
good.
Yeah,
Pretty big. We got the nice table. That's nice too. It's nice having the table.
Yeah.
We use that on the seashore when we were on that a lot.
So this is room 5548, and if it's something you like and you'd like to book a cruise, I can help you with that. It costs you nothing to use me. I'd be glad to put it together. It's cruztime.com, cruise time. I would love to help you out. So till next time. Bye.
Bye.
You and I till the end. Don't need to pretend again and again. We'll stick together. Everything is alright with you by my side. We won't say goodbye. We'll stick together.
CRUZTIME cruisetime.com. Cast off your cares.